Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we see the 7th standard science, term 3, unit 5, animals in daily life, book back short answers. 6th room letter, very short answer. First question, write about any two dairy products. Answer, paneer, cheese. These two are dairy products. Not only these two, paneer, cheese, cream, butter, ghee and curd also. These are also dairy products. They are highly recommended nutritive food containing protein and calcium are made from milk. So, milk is the daily essential product which is obtained from animals like cow, buffaloes, goat and camels etc. So, the milk is the necessary in our daily diet. Second question, what are the two types of fibers that are obtained from animals? Answer, wool and silk fibers are examples of animal fibers. You know that some fibers also obtained from plants such as cotton and jute are the examples of plant fibers. First one, wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. The hair of other animals, especially mammals like goat, yak, alpaca and rabbit may also be called wool. Then second one, silk fiber. Silk fiber is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Third question, what is shearing? Answer, the fleece of the sheep is removed from its body. This is called shearing. You know that the processing of wool involves 5 major steps. Especially the shearing is the first steps for processing of wool. The 5 major steps are, first one shearing, second one grinding, the third one washing, then fourth one guarding, then fifth one spinning. So, these are the 5 major steps for processing of wool. Fourth question, write the symptoms of anthrax. Answer, the symptoms are fever, cough and shortness of breath similar to a typical pneumonia. Then sometimes it may lead to nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Anthrax is a bacterial disease, especially anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis by handling contaminated animal hair and contact with the livestock during hair processing. Then fifth question, define sericulture. Answer, sericulture or silk farming is the cultivation of silkworm to produce silk. Then it is the rearing of silkworms to obtain silk. In this sericulture field, our country India is the world's second largest silk producing country, especially Kanjipuram, Tirubonam and Orani are the famous places for silk production in Tamil Nadu. Sixth question, how should we treat animals? Answer, we have to love and protect the animals and treat them as our family members, and also we should safeguard them and treat them with care. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has released 4 new gazette notifications under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 to regulate dog breeders, animal marketers, aquarium and pet fish owners etc. This progress has come out as a joint effort by animal protection groups. With the protection of animals, we actually protect ourselves and also protect the environment also. Seventh question, who invented the Ahimsa silk? Answer, Kusuma Rajaya, a government officer from Andhra Pradesh state of India, proposed Ahimsa way of silk production for the making silks without killing the silkworm. Ahimsa silk is also known as pea silk. In traditional silk manufacturing methods involve boiling the cocoons of silkworms and then sorting out the threads, which is used later in silk production. The Ahimsa silk has been supported by many peoples because in this method without killing the worms they can produce silk who are interested in the welfare of animals. Seventh room letter, short answer questions. First question, what are the characteristics of wool? Give any 3. Answer, it is resistant to heat, water, wear and tear. Then it absorbs moisture. Being resistant means to be immune or impervious to something, because it prevent from the heat, water and also wear and tear. Wear and tear means damage or depreciation resulting from ordinary use. Then wool insulates against cold. So wool is a good insulator. What is mean by insulator? An insulator is a material that does not conduct electrical current and also heat. Here wool also act like insulator because it does not conduct the cold. Then it does not wrinkle easily. What is mean by wrinkle? The wrinkles are creases, folds or ridges in the skins. They naturally appear as people get older, but here the wool does not wrinkles easily. Second question, write about any three uses of silk. Answers, silk has natural beauty and elegance. Then it gives comfort in warm weather and warmth during colder months. Then it is used in the manufacture of classical and high fashion clothes, modern dresses, particularly silk sarees and elegant or beautiful dresses. Then silk is also used in household for making wall hangings, curtains, rugs and carpets. Then it is also being used in the manufacture of surgical threads for stitches. Third question, what are the common diseases that are found in poultry? First one, salmonellosis. It caused the disease diarrhea. This salmonellosis disease caused by bacteria. Then second one, Rannicke disease. It is caused by virus like a fowl pox virus. The Rannicke disease also known as Newcastle disease. This is an acute viral disease of poultry characterized by involvement of respiratory system, drop in egg production and also mortality as high as 100% in severe cases. Rannicke disease caused by virus. Then Aspergillosis. This disease caused by fungus, especially Aspergillus fumigatus. Aspergillus is a acute infections typically in young chickens. Aspergillus is a respiratory disease of chicken. Ninth Roman letter, HOTS. HOTS means higher order thinking questions. First question, silk fiber is used to manufacture parachute. Why? Answer, because silk fiber is the strongest natural fiber. Then it is thin, light in weight and strong. Then silk is easily to pick and unfold. Then it is also fire resistant. Then it is dries quickly. Then silk is also resistant to abrasion and chemicals. Abrasion means the act of abrading, wearing or rubbing off, especially the wearing away by friction. Second question, honey is recommended for all. Why? What is its significance? Answer, honey has more medicinal values and highly nutritious food. Then it has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Then honey cures ulcer and digestive problems. Then it also cures coughs and sore throats. 10th Roman letter, assertion and reasoning. First question, assertion. Wool is the fiber derived from the fur of animals. Reason, animals like goat, yak, alpaca and rabbit yields wool. Answer is A option. Both assertion and reasoning is correct. Second question, assertion. Penicillin or ciprofloxacin. Reason, these medicines cures cowpox. Answer is A option. Assertion is correct, reason is wrong, because penicillin or ciprofloxacin is given as the best medicine for treatment of anthrax. Thank you viewers for watching my video. நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதீங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிருங்க.